We love jet. I'm also a jet flyer because it sounds like a real jet. Jet can be very easy to fly fast speed, but usually the jet is always expensive. Only very few rich guys can fly it. But now we have a new concept, the foamy jet. It costs down about 40%. Let me show you about the foamy jet from HSD. Hello, this is Thomas. Welcome to HSD Jets. This is our customers and the agents from all over the world. Welcome to our showroom. We major in the foamy jet EDF for a couple of years. Hi, here is the EDF production line. This is F16 or EDF version. So now it's packing. Before packing, we will check everything. And then finally, the quality step. This is our testing line. When everything assembly okay, then we will test every function. Check the servos, check the mixer, and test the motor. 风扇。This is our painting department. Let's show you. This paint is a special material for ETO. It is water-based. And no afraid water or fuel. The laser cut machine. For plywood parts. We also built our own landing gear and the metal parts. Let me show you about the CNC machine. This is the wheel cover. Landing gear parts. This is short pipe, and you can find it's double layer. And outside we have FRP isolation for heat. It's very light, less than 400 grams. Let me show you the idea for foamy jet, how can do it. The laser cut of plywood for a very strong construction. Then put it into the foamy. Of course, we need to put some glue first, so cannot move. And after that, we put all wire, the cables, and the aluminum tape for isolation heater. Then glue, everywhere glue. Then to make it together. So that is why the foamy jet can get very cheap price because of the material, the foamy. How we can use foamy material to build a jet. The material is specially EPO material, come from Japan. It is a very high density of material. We can make a compare. This is normal foamy. If I try to press, to pitch it, it's soft. But the high density of EPO, I try my best. That is why, but also very light. You will find the carbon tube inside. So it's very strong. Very strong. And the foamy jet is very easy for repair. This is a pair of elevator. If we broken or damaged, we change a new one. Very easy. It only spend you 10 or 20 US dollar. Very cheap. No need to fix, change a new one. Let me introduce you about the HSD turbine. A fuel pump. You will see it's a very special fuel pump. It's not afraid of any bubble. You will see the video later. Show you. And we developed the auto restart FETEC ECU. This is the world first. Color screen GSU, English or Chinese. The fuel filter, valve, and the cables. All we need to do is plug, throttle, GSU, and RPM. This is for pump. Okay. For battery, 3 SD port battery. The sensor cable to engine. The power cable. And the fuel tube directly from motor, from the pump to turbine. And after, our technician will install the turbine into the jet. After assembly the fuselage, we will install the 6 kg turbine. You will see everything is very suitable, compact, and give a very good protection for turbine. Even crash, the turbine still will. 来看一看这个活页啊。你看我的天，拉不掉，真是拉不掉，拉不掉。好。And now he is making the cables to make the cable together. And this is the foamy jet production line, assembly line. Take a look closely. This main tank and the smoke tank and the engine's back. Everything is pre-installed. Everything pre-installed, even the servos. We will see the servos later. This is the F16 cheaper color of main wing. We use the digital servo and the bowling aluminum and all hinges, bright light. And the ball bearing inside. This is a mixed board. It can also control the flying light and the landing gear. Let me show you. Plug in the battery and then the light will on. And we can manual to put down our landing gear by manual. See. So when you check your landing gear, no need to turn on your transmitter. How this jet, foamy jet, will ship to Japan. This is our jet toy. This is Super Viper. We already sold about 700 pieces in half year. It's very fast, very big quantity of sales quantity. Let's look closely for it. Cannot. Easy, huh? And very light because all foamy. And this is the interior. 2 fuel tank. This is for main, for turbine fuel tank. And the main tank is a smoke tank. Of course, if you don't want to smoke, you can use both. It's 1.3 liter, and the below is 0.7 liter. This is header tank UAT, and the turbine controller ECU, and the retract controller. And we have another mix board under the plate receiver. All we need is 2 batteries, one for receiver. When we plug in, the flight light will on. Turn on the transmitter. This is breaker. Electric breaker. Okay, now let me show you how to start the engine. First of all, trim up, then open the fuel valve gate, open. Then throttle up, throttle down, then it will automatically start the engine. We can hear the sound, tuck, 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 tuck. It means already ignition. Now RPM is higher and higher. You can feel it. When it's turned off, it means running. Auto restart. Landing gear. If you want to close the engine, swing down. And then don't forget close the fuel valve. The turbine will automatically cool down. You can hear the motor is running. That's all, very easy.
Xin chào các quý ó.我日